Hey you guys, welcome back. So I'm in Dollar Tree, as you can see, and at the front door, of course, they got pumpkin stuff. They brought back the carvable pumpkins. Those are always fun to do stuff with. They have the pumpkin decorating kits, so you got a few different faces. That one, I like that one. Look at the little girl with her little bow. Let's see what else. And then there's this one right here. You can get a pumpkin decorating kit. It makes 4, includes 35 foam pieces. It looks like that. You got the carving kit, the LED strobe light that goes inside of the pumpkin. That would be cool. 3 rapidly flashing lights. Okay, some of their costumes, super cute. Look at that, the little bumblebee wings. You got the skirt. How adorable is that? You got the headband to match it. Okay, I like that whole little set. The bumblebee. You got the ladybug. The wings to match. There's the mermaid skirt down there. Unicorn. Headband. The colors kind of vary. Here's a unicorn tail. Mermaid tail. What else? Princess hair extensions in this kind of blonde or like a platinum white. Is this a troll? I think that's a troll. It says bright headband, but they got purple, pink, red, and green down here. Dress up. Some of this stuff is be really nice for just dress up period, like for your little girl. Oh, look at that. You got the frog, the fox, and the princess crown. And then a few masks. These are made out of like felt. The bat, the owl. Oh my goodness, what is this? Animal nose mask. Is it soft? Yeah, it's like rubber. What is that? I don't know. It doesn't tell you what animal that is. But then you got this one. That one. Ugh, that looks so gross. Ugh. And a shark. I think I'm going to get this one for Pooh Bear. That's what it looks like. Then I showed you guys these wings already. Those are dragons. Then I have the black one. Here is a blade with a headband. Oh, so it'll look like the blade is going through your head. That's why it has a little rounded area right there. Another one. This one is an axe. Arm plates in blue and green. This chest plate, or you got the mask. I showed you guys the Jason mask. There's ninja mask in orange, purple, or green. Some kind of flying creature. And it comes in pastel or the darker colors. Ninja gear. And then you got some wands. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. It's a unicorn glow wand, or you can get the bracelets. And it comes with 2 of them in here, or you could get them in purple. Or blue. And the matching bracelets. Oh, what is that? Oh, or you can get a headband. The blue one looks different than the pink one. Then over here, you got these jars. Orange, green, and black. Ooh, that one is kind of cool. Skulls in white. And then you got these Happy Halloween signs. Trick or treat. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. Down here you got the pumpkins where you can put candles in there. Cute little trick or treat signs. More candle holders. And then you got these cute pumpkins down here. Weren't these here last year? I think they were. I don't remember seeing these striped ones though. All of those. And then down here, eat, drink, and be scary. Beware the Wicked Witch and her little monsters live here. I think I'm gonna get those too. And I think those are the only 3 signs I see. And look at these cute cups with the tops on them. Now we usually see these down here with the 2. Don't you get 2? Yeah, you get 2 in a pack right there. But these ones are brought out for fall. Sweater weather. The leaves are falling, so autumn is calling. That's cute. I like the grateful, thankful, blessed, and happy harvest. These are some Zach cups. And let's see. Let me see if I can open the top. Oh, those are cool. They got the top like that. They're actually really big. Pokemon. I will be getting probably 2 of these for Pooh Bear. And then they still have these, which he still uses. So, if you were looking for these, those are back. But I'm definitely going to get some of these. Oh, I like these Draw With Me books. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to get this one for Pooh Bear. And they also have these. Yeah, I think I'm going to get both of those. Oh, there's 3 different kinds. Dinosaurs, farm animals, and sea animals. And it'll help teach them how to draw. Here's a few new stickers, the do-it-yourself projects or by Jot. So you can color your own stickers. They had these out in the past, but this just looks like a different one. So you got the owls with the gold on it. Let's see what else there is. There's butterflies. I see birds. And the birds have silver. The glitter on there is silver. And then up here I see some hearts. Oh, there's a few. The hearts. The birthday ones. Flowers. And that's it for those. And then I see some more letters up here. I don't remember seeing this set, but I do remember seeing the floral ones. Okay, I know I showed you guys these socks before, but just in case you missed them, they do have a new set of socks. The cute little gnomes with the mushrooms. You got the beer. I didn't see those. Those have polka dots. That's kind of cool. I did see the blueberry pancakes and the syrup. You got some space rocket ships. And then these with the food on them. Cute. Love me some socks. There's the watermelon. And I didn't see these either. These have airplanes on them. Those would be cute if you're traveling. You just want to wear those. Oh, look over here by the registers. They got these cute little, are these magnets? Artificial, yep, it's a magnet. And this one has a little glitter on it. That's cute. And then there is this one that is, looks kind of like a rose gold or pink. Those would be cute to put on your fridge. Okay, so I'm over in the candy section where I don't need to be at, but look at these. I've never seen yummy sweet strawberries, and I do love gummies, so those, but look at this. And this is the last pack. You guys know I am going to get these. The groovy bananas. I can't wait to see what those taste like. I'm gonna look around and see if there's any more, but so far this looks like the only pack. And then I saw these too, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Soda poppers. So I think these are little gummies that's shaped like little soda cans. Cola, lemon, lime, orange soda. And then you got some that's shaped like sneakers. They look like Air Jordans. But I'm definitely taking these. Right here, I love the way they displayed all the clear black cups and bowls and plates and everything. Kind of cute. They put it with those black and white flowers. That's nice. And they have these glasses over here with the skulls on them. They got a few different colors. Okay, you guys, so that is it. I'm on the last row. I'm gonna wrap this up and get out of here. I will talk to you guys real soon in another video. Okay, bye.